Hello and welcome to Sheba Online Classes, Standard 6. Today I will be taking Unit 1 Supplementary. We finished with the prose, poem, and today I will be taking supplementary, right? Supplementary again, see this whole unit, this first unit is totally connected to sports, okay? So, as we studied about the prose sports players, and now we are going to study about Rucha. That is, see, the name of the lesson is Think to Win, okay? You should always have the thinking to win, not to just to participate, not only to participate in any sport, but you must have a goal, one target, I must win. So, that this lesson will teach you what it is, okay. So, Think to Win, written by Lata Kaku, the author of the thing is lesson. And then the characters, just see the board, there are so many characters here actually. And the main character is Rucha, then Vishnu, Seema and Rucha are sisters. And then Prakash is the coach of the school team, and then her friends, that is her team, a relay team, Aruna, Shabnam, Neelam, okay. So, these are the characters here. Then everything is woven around these characters only. In a school, how Rucha's thing, how Rucha feels about herself, and then how people encourage her. See, always encouragement is the best thing we can do to a person who is interested in any kind of a sports or a talent or a craft or art, in studies, in anything. Encouragement, as you cannot do anything else to help, means please encourage a person to do something good, right? So, same thing here, the main character is Rucha. Now, the story starts like this. Rucha actually, she wants to learn cycling, okay, she wants to learn cycling. So, she went out for since 1 week she has been learning cycling, and who is helping her? Vishnu. She was 10 years old and she is learning cycling. So, as she was trying to cycle, no, Vishnu used to hold behind that is the back, no, that carrier like that. He used to hold her and try to make her learn cycling. And then what happened? Vishnu now she is trying to be steady, so he just left her. But she kept on telling Vishnu, don't leave the cycle, I'll fall down, I'll get hurt. You always hold on to the cycle. So, what happened? Vishnu, now she is trying to cycle properly, so he just let her go. And she was going fine only, as she is cycling it very well. But after a long time she went, that is Vishnu was standing at a distance, and she was going as she is riding along. From there Rucha said, Vishnu, don't leave me, just hold on to the cycle. But Vishnu, he was little far away, no. From a distance he said, no, you are doing fine, just go on. But suddenly she thought, why is the sound is hearing some far away. When she turned and see, she was not with them, then she went, she was disturbed, no, like she was getting scared, oh, I am going to fall, like that. If she had not, that fear had not overcome her first, she would have gone steadily. But suddenly she got scared, and she let that cycle go, wobbled and fell into the nearby bushes. So, luckily she didn't get hurt, but she was really furious with Vishnu. Said, I told you not to leave the cycle. How can you leave the cycle like that? I told you to be near me only. No, see what happened now. I fell down. Say, I fell down now. What? So, then he said, Vishnu was going on convincing her. No sister, nothing. You are doing very well. That is why I let you go. How long will I keep holding you behind? You have to learn, no. If I let you go only, you will be able to learn and may balance the cycle. If I keep on holding you, how will you learn? He said, but nothing went into Rucha's mind. He said, no, you did not help me. You let me go. You let me fall down in the road like this. So, she just dragged the cycle down, went to the house, put the cycle down, and she started shouting, Mummy, see what happened. See, Vishnu let me fall down in the road like this. She did not help me to help me with the cycle like that. He let me go off this cycle, and he fell down. So, mother said, what happened? Nothing has happened now. So, if only he let you go only, you will learn the cycling. Those who learn cycle, sometimes they have to fall only. If you fall only, you will get up and you will go, okay. So, this is it, learn a lesson from that, she will say. But she will not listen to anybody, she will be so angry, she will throw everything down, that kind of. Then Seema, her sister, she will say, actually she will come and say, before that Rucha will say, the cycle is so tall, so big for me, I am not able to reach my legs down like that, I can't reach the road. I can't reach the pedal, from the pedal I must reach the road, no, to the ground, I am not able to do it, get me a new cycle, that she will say. Then when that was happening, then mother said, no, you are getting taller and taller, so how can I get you a small cycle? This cycle is proper for you, this is correct. So you must learn. Only if you fall and get up, only you will learn to ride the cycle, that she said. And then afterwards, what happened? Seema, her sister, said, she'll ask her mother, can I ride the cycle? Then before mother could answer, no, Rucha will say, no, you cannot ride the cycle, because for me itself it's so big, how I don't even reach the ground, my legs are not reaching the ground, how will it reach for you? No need to ask, no need to go and cycle, do other work, do your own business, don't, she'll say, and she'll shout at Seema. Seema tries to convince her, no, I want to learn riding, said, no, nothing doing, don't ask another question. So mother also did not answer, everything she herself answered and said, because why? She was more protective of her sister. Not because she is bossing around and nothing like that, but she was more protective. She wanted to protect her sister, that she should not fall down, and so small, and cycle is very big, you won't be able to do it, she said. So being protective, she loves her sister, so she is being more protective. So that's what it is. Then afterwards, next what happened is, she goes to school. When she goes to school, they had next week was inter-house badminton matches they had in her school. So when they had these matches, she had to go, leave out all her other work, no cycling, that's all. Put it away, and she was more concentrating on the badminton, that is how to, she was practicing, going on the field and practicing for the badminton. And then as she was practicing, but what kind of a person is Rucha? Before that I want to tell you, Rucha is a girl who is more careful about herself, okay. She is not the rash type. Rashly she goes, and some children, they go rash, that is they play rashly and they'll fall down and they'll get up, like that. Not like that. She is very careful player. She wants to do everything perfectly, carefully. She should not get hurt, at the same time learn, like that kind of a person. So but Seema is not like that, her sister is not like that. She is more the rough and tough type. She wants to learn, she wants to not careless about whatever is happening. But Rucha is very careful and she knows what to do, but she does not push herself hard. Like she won't, if I do something, I'll get hurt. If I do like that, I'll lose the match. Like that kind of a negative type of feeling she has got. And then next week, I told you, she goes to school. There's an inter-school badminton championship. Then inter-house badminton competition. So she goes to school, and in the inter-house means what? In the school itself, there are four houses, no, red, blue, green, yellow, that. It depends upon the color, but the inter-house competition. So in that, she is representing one house. She competes with, now the competition has started, she is competing with Aruna, her friend only. She is competing with Aruna. Aruna is from another house. So when she is competing, somewhere from her coach kept telling, hit harder, hit harder. But what she did she did not hit hard, but I told you, before itself, she is a very careful player. Okay. And then she did not hit hard, eventually she lost the match. Aruna won the match and she lost it. And then afterwards, both of them shook hands. Then you played very well, very good, but you should have little more, you would have hit harder, then definitely you would have won this match. Just by 1 or 2 points only you have lost. Then anyway, she said she was very dejected, Rucha. But Aruna was trying to encourage her, no problem, let it go. So little more, if you have tried, means you would have won the match. But it is okay, but you played your match very beautifully, you played, okay, well done. But then even then she was a little low, like that, oh no, like that. And then Aruna reminded her, see, next week we have to get ready for the inter-school competition, inter-school athletics. Are you in the relay? She'll inquire, said, you are in the relay team, no? Relay team. So you better come for practice. We have to buck up and practice, because this is not inter-house, it is inter-school competition. So definitely our school must get the relay championship. Okay. So somehow I said, okay, no. Then when she's saying that, she'll say, no, Rucha will say, no, I don't want to take part in this, because I am a very, I'm getting very negative feelings about this. I don't want to take part in this. I will fall down, I'll drop the baton or something, and we will lose, our school will lose. You take somebody else for the relay, I am not going to come, she said. Then Aruna said, don't be mad. You are losing such a good chance. You are the key player for us. You cannot, that is, we cannot lose you. We will go for practice. We will practice, she will say. Then who are the other players? Then in her friends, no? There are four, that is a team. 4, remember, that is Aruna, Nilima, and then Shabnam and Rucha. There are the 4 players for the, relay teams. How many players are there? That is, they have to go around the stadium. That is the ground, no? That round ground, starting first leg, second leg, third leg, and the fourth leg. Got that, no? So 4 players in one team of relay team. So in this first leg was Shabnam. Shabnam was tall girl, and the next one, she passes the baton to Nilima, and then Aruna, and then from Aruna, baton is passed to Rucha. Rucha only has to dash down the 100 meters thing. She has to take the sprint down and make her, that is, from the first player, they should keep the pace properly. Only then the other runners can run properly. Okay, get and win the relay. That is athletics. Okay, so like that. So then she said, no, I don't want to take part. Then Aruna will convince her, nothing like that. Then Shabnam will say, now in Springvales, that is Springdales, there is a there is another one school. There is another one girl. Her name is PT Usha. They say she is compared to PT Usha because she runs so fast. She just like PT Usha only. Then, or thinking of all that, no, Rucha will get scared. Oh my God, no, I cannot join. Definitely, I'll think I will. My school name will be spoiled because of me. Take somebody else. Then, who was hearing all this? These 4 girls talking. The coach, Prakash sir. Prakash sir overheard their conversation, and then immediately he'll make an announcement. Those who are in the inter-school relay competition, please come and gather over here. Then all these 4 girls will come. Aruna, Nilima, Shabnam and Rucha, they will go there, and then from there Prakash sir will give them a good practice. From today onwards, we are practicing. Okay, you have to win the championship, inter-school championship, and especially relay. We have to get the first place. Okay, gold medal. There is no chance at all. No, everybody, are you confident? You are not practicing. He keeps shouting. He shouted at them, saying, none of you are practicing. What you are thinking? You want to just participate or something? It is a game. You have to win. That kind of a thing you don't have. When he said that, all the 4 of them started shouting at them. Oh sir, no sir, not like that. Then you want to get that name, think to win. He'll say the team, see the title of the lesson, think to win. You should always think to win, not only to participate and just go walk out. You should think to win. If you are taking part in any competition, any match or something, you should always have one goal, one target. What's the target? That prize, the cup, the medal. So you must think to win. Only then you will definitely, your mind and heart, everything, your body will support you. If you only have that thinking, positive thinking, that's what he'll give a big lecture to them. Give them practice from the next day onwards. Every day, morning and night, morning and evening, they will practice till they are fit and that is to face the the match, that is the competition. Then the next day, the competition starts. So they go to that school, inter-school. It is held in some other school. And so they have the prayer starts. Then they have the march past. Everything is done, and the thing relay is going to start in time. Other events are happening. That is, they have the 100 meters, 200 meters line. All the events were going on, and then finally there was an announcement. They are going to have the relay. So immediately Rucha will be so tensed. Oh my God, how am I going to do this? She was thinking about only Prakash sir, what he told, what was the advice he was telling, like how to pass the baton. Then he was telling the first leg, that is who's the first leg? Shabnam. Shabnam was a tall girl, so she was the first leg. So when she first leg, that girl must give a good lead, he'll say. Always if you give a good lead, and the one who's going to take the baton just have to move out, and the person who come to give the baton must not stop her speed. Don't stop the speed. You come in the same speed, give the baton, and then just go. Only after you give the baton only you should stop running. Till then you must, the same pace only you must come in. He'll tell that. So all that in the mind, all that advice was going on. And then, so everybody were fit. Everybody were waiting. Okay, when we are going to start this? And then finally started. The whistle blew, and then Shabnam started giving a lead. She gave us tremendous lead, gave them a good lead, and she was running so fast. And then next Neelima took the baton. From Neelima she started running the same speed, and then gave it to Aruna. Aruna took the baton. And then she took the baton, and with full speed she went, and then slowly the other Springdale was closing up with Aruna, and then finally she went and gave the baton to Rucha. Rucha took the baton. She took the baton, and with nothing else, only her mind was fixed to Prakash sir. Think to win. That was going on, relaying it. That is coming to her mind. She just closed her eyes and she took the baton, and just like one horse, she was just running, not looking. She was not aware where she was running also. So that kind of one horse she was riding. She was running all that full speed, and just 1 second she opened her eyes and she saw that PT Usha girl, the girl who was compared to PT Usha from Springdale. She was trying to make up with her. But looking at that, no, I have to compete. I must win the match for my school. So she just blindly took the baton, and with full speed she went. Closed her eyes. Only she was looking at only the tape, that is the ending tape, that tape. She just closed her eyes and she just went. She was kept running because she didn't know the tape had come. She ended the race also, but still she was running only. Then behind Aruna and other girls said, we won. They were just clapping. Only then she realized, oh, the run is over. Like that. She kept on running like that. So she was so that kind of inspiration, the encouragement given by Prakash sir was really very great. So that only kept her going, and they won the match. They won the relay competition. Okay, so that athletics their school won the thing, and then Rucha was really appreciated by the team, and they all lifted her up and praised her. So that was the story about. So this was a superb win by Rucha. The first time, she with confidence and determination, and whatever advice was given, she won the match. Because most of the time what she does, she has that kind of a negative feeling. No, I can't do. So that feeling was totally broken, and she won the match. What she was thinking is to win. That's all. So they won the relay competition, and gave a good name for her school. So this is it. This is the story. Read it once. Okay, once if you read the story only, any few points if I had missed out, you will need it for the short answers, or identify the character speaker, for any mind map, whatever has been asked for you. Okay, please read it, give a reading, right? See you next class. Thank you.